So it's been 11 and a half months since I've had my hair transplant. I'm at Dr. Bauman's office. We're gonna go over a few things, see the progress, and what's more exciting to me is talk about my next small transplant procedure and see what we can do for the next one. The last appointment was a few months ago and the hair's grown in a little bit. I have more coverage and more people now tell me I look younger than I did before. So it's a pretty nice feeling. And so with the remainder that I have, what would be good for me, if possible, is to soften the hairline. I don't know if the temples need softening at all. I really like them.
I think the temples look really good. I mean, it's a massive improvement.
Oh yeah, I didn't have any. So they call it, I guess, hair greed. When you get a little bit of hair, and I guess a lot, and then you want a little bit more.
In order to really make it work, it's a second coat of paint, but it's like right here, right here, right here. So those 3 spots would make a big difference.